The Central Bureau of Investigation on Saturday arrested Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of RG Kaur Medical College and Hospital, as well as a police inspector in connection with the case of the rape and murder of a junior doctor at the institute. So, what are the allegations? Let's find out. The CBI alleged they were involved in disturbing the crime scene, tampering with evidence, violating official rules, criminal conspiracy, and misleading investigators. The central agency had arrested Ghosh, who is 53, in a case related to corruption at the hospital on September 2nd. He is currently in prison. The inspector, Abhijit Mondal, of Tala police station was summoned for interrogation by the CBI on Saturday. The agency arrested him after 7 hours of questioning. Earlier, Sanjay Roy, a civic volunteer attached with the Kolkata police, was arrested and charged with the rape and murder. The junior doctor's body was found in a hospital seminar room on August 9, an incident that triggered widespread anger. Now, according to CBI sources, Mondal could not provide proper answers on his role after the body of the junior doctor was discovered. As an officer in charge of the Talal police station, under whose jurisdiction the hospital fell, he was allegedly found to be tampering with the crime scene. He also allegedly delayed filing an FIR. After being arrested, he was taken to a hospital for a medical checkup. According to the CBI sources, the role of both the ex-principal and the police officer was under scrutiny. Sources said the investigation found both flouted rules and tried to tamper with evidence. Ghosh and Mondal will be produced before the Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Court in Sialda tomorrow. The court has also told the Presidency Central Jail to produce Ghosh before it on September 15. Agitating junior doctors as well as the family members of the victim have accused Ghosh as well as police officials of trying to hush up the incident. One of the other demands of agitating junior doctors has been the resignation or suspension of Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal as well. Apart from Ghosh, vendors Biplav Singha and Sumon Hazra and Afzar Ali Khan, additional security to Ghosh, have been arrested as well.